It has been a gloomy day today, guys. I think we're getting the cold front. No sun, no nothing.
With that, jump on. Hey y'all, welcome back to another of our luggy vlog. I'm actually, it's funny because I have vlogged, done this before, like a whole vlog when I was here, and it never made it to YouTube. So I'm gonna be vlogging my stay in Mobay for the day. I'm doing some work, and I just want to show you guys kind of like a behind the scenes of like what my days are like when I'm out here working. I'm also gonna combine this with some footage from when I was in Mobay the other time, so you guys can see that as well.
What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it.
Hello, I want to talk like this. I'm ready for the video. This is YouTube. This is not what you're supposed to be doing. So you ready for YouTube video live? I'm laughing. And the big captain sardine.
Every time.
You saw them at the front there doing the stuff in the water. Are you a job that you know?
Yes, ma'am.
The other boat out there coming in. Okay, getting ready to snorkel. I have one number bag too. I get from the bus. But me just say, oh, I'm come here again without swimsuit. You know what? You see, next time when I come, I'm bringing my swimsuit and I'm bringing the waterproof phone case thing so I can check the videos. Because many like some of them snorkeling video that put it on the page. Yeah. I always forget. You have a GoPro?
Yeah, but the one you can look like the old one, Ochi now.
But you can still use, no?
You can still use.
Yeah, I always
But
say. Oh, like upload it. That's fine.
You can still take one video phone. You have videos. No, so yeah.
Oh, like until you.
In the screen from the back, right?
Oh, yeah. But that's fine, because at least you know, say I shoot something. I mean.
And you can edit and use what you want.
Yeah. No vex though, I'm gonna forget that again. How do I forget? Remember that thing about it. I wasn't thinking about it already. I wasn't. But next time, when I catch me slipping again. Next time I will be prepared and I'm going to be like, guys, I am ready to go in the water. Even leave our swimsuit over here. Don't it? Oh, yeah. I took it, what you mean? You never realized I need a video. Two of them I do. I do one where you flip the something and then you pour in our mouth, and then one where you do multiple people. You never realized? And those are the same day. Those are the same day. Fisherman out there. No, they fish so late. Them only do it like early morning. I forgot my sunglasses and I just know say I'm gonna be annoyed all day. Like the whole of my face I go stay so the whole day. This is gonna be my face the whole day. Because I'm squint when the light in my face. So uncomfortable. I can get wrinkles from not wearing sunglasses. I need to show my outfit. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. That's not really a boat outfit, but an outfit. My outfit. I wish I caught that. It's not gonna be as epic the second time.
Come do again. Come do again.
Yeah, man.
She want to get a picture. Yes, you want ketchup.
Like him to the way to jump. See, that's our other boat coming in. To park up beside us. Yes. Help it to upload.
You guys have the chips? Huh? You want more? Oh, see some right here, some fish right here, but them are run. Whatever, I'm not coming in. Huh? I'm gonna need more than shorts, sir. I have two parts, a top and a bottom. Not just a bottom.